are all the rage this season, and I'm loving it. The reason I love sets is because I don't really have to think about all the different things that I'm putting together. It's one full outfit, and you usually can get multiple wears out of it. So you can put the top with a pair of jeans, wear it a different way. Same thing, put a pair of, or put a tank top or a t-shirt on, put with the pants. So you can wear it multiple ways and style them however you please. But this is one of my favorites that we have in. I am calling this look Ashley on the go. If you saw me out in public, I would probably be wearing something like this. I love it. This is called the Unity Ring Set, and it is $82. Comes in 2 color options here. So I'm wearing the black, just a really great neutral, but this red is so beautiful. Michelle and Crystal, one of their really good friends, loves the color red, and as soon as this set came in, she grabbed it. And it comes in this really beautiful textured, if you can see kind of up close, that ribbed looking textured detailing. We've got the gunmetal color zipper on the black and the red, and it's the ruffle detail for me on the sleeves. If there's ever a sleeve detail like that, I love it. And then, yes, these pants, so they're kind of like a capri-ish style, so they're a little longer on me, but I love the little scallop or up detail there on the pant leg, so it gets a little shorter on the side, kind of a circle. What is that called? Scallop. Okay, that's what I said. So whatever it's called, but this does have pockets as well. So this is just a really great set, and like I said, I can totally see myself wearing this top with a pair of jeans, moving it into the fall. Throw this on with a pair of sneakers and you can take it for longer, but grab the Unity Ring Set now in black or the red color. So the way I put this together, I kind of went a little bit more of an elevated casual look. So I added some pearl detailing. I have a really cute purse here. The earrings that I currently have on are called the Lost in Your Smile earrings. These are $22, part of our everyday jewelry line. And they're just a really great lightweight hoop, and they have the really pretty pearl detailing along the side, kind of like a double aisle pearl there on the side. So check that out. And then I also went with the fashion jewelry necklace here that I felt like matched really well. So this is called the All the Answers Gold Necklace. $18, this really fun clover drop. This is kind of a dupe of a higher end brand. And it's got the little pearl detailing, which I felt like matched the earrings really well. And then let's talk about this bag. I know you guys have been wondering as I'm holding it. So this is Hammett. I personally am a big fan of Hammett. That's what I'm carrying currently. This one is the Bryant medium bag. So it's got the really nice shoulder detailing, but I believe they have a detachable and then a longer strap as well with this one. It's this really soft leather, which is great. And it's the gold grommets that I love so much as well. And then the interior is their iconic red interior. So Hammett is such a great brand, made here in the USA. I believe they're based out of California. Did I make that? Or LA? Yes. So we have lots of fun Hammett options. I just felt like this black one really went well with this set here. And I'm going to show you just a few more sets that we have that are longer. So Michelle showed you some short sets, but we also have this really great detail set here. So this is called the Filling Prepped Set. It's $80, and it's very similar to the material that I'm currently wearing, but it has this really great white detailing here on the front pockets, the neckline, the sleeves, and then these pants, you guys have that strap all the way down the side, and then the detail down at the bottom. So I feel like at our photo shoot, I called this the Meredith Blake set. If you guys ever watched Parent Trap back in the day, Meredith Blake was the stepmom or trying to be stepmom, but this just looks so much like her. I feel like really nice, preppy looking, but also very comfortable. And then we also have this great set. This one is called the Harmony in Chaos Black Set, $84. So this one's a tank top. You've got the rickrack detailing here, which I'm in love with, and then also the rickrack detailing down the side and at the bottom of this pant set. So these sets are super comfortable, but I feel like you could definitely wear these in the workplace. So I'm talking to certain teachers or business ladies out there that want comfortable, but also to be cute and put together. A set is the way to go.